How to disable Duet option for all videos on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to prevent other users from creating duets with your content. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Afterwards, scroll down until you find Duet. In addition to that, tap on Duet to access Duet settings. Once there, you'll see options like Everyone, Friends, or Only You. Subsequently, select Only You to disable duets for all your videos. Moreover, this will prevent anyone from creating duets with your existing and future videos. Afterwards, the setting is automatically saved. And that's it. If this duet disabling guide helped you control your content, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok privacy tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.